In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create job alerts on LinkedIn. If you want LinkedIn to do some of the searching for you, job alerts are a simple way to get notified when new roles that match your interests show up. We'll walk through it on the mobile app, but the same idea applies on LinkedIn.com. Start by opening LinkedIn and heading to the Jobs section. On mobile, you'll see jobs in the bottom navigation bar. On desktop, it's in the top menu. This is your hub for finding roles and setting alerts so you don't have to check back constantly. One quick way to create an alert is from any job posting you like. Tap a job that looks interesting to you to open the full description. As you scroll through the listing, look for the option that says, Set Alerts for Similar Jobs. Toggle that on. That's it. LinkedIn will now look for new postings similar to this one and send you updates automatically. This works well if the job you're viewing is a good example of the role, level, and location you want, because the alert will use that as a guide. Now let's talk about where to review and manage those alerts. From the job section, look toward the top for preferences. Tap that, then choose Job Alerts. Here you'll see a list of alerts you've created. Each alert will show how often you'll be notified. By default, you'll get daily updates via email, which helps you stay on top of fresh postings without checking the app all the time. If you want to fine-tune an alert, tap the edit option next to it. You can adjust details like the notification frequency. Daily works for most people, but you can change it to suit your inbox and tailor the alert if it's pulling in results that are too broad. If an alert is no longer helpful, you can delete it from this same screen. Confirm, and it's gone. A few quick pointers to keep your alerts useful. Create an alert from a job that closely matches what you want, and don't hesitate to revisit preferences to refine or remove alerts as your goals change. The idea is to make LinkedIn do the heavy lifting so you can focus on the best matches instead of scrolling endlessly. That's all you need to start getting smarter job notifications on LinkedIn. Set an alert from a job you like, manage everything under preferences, and let the updates come to you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.